Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am telling you about the seventh branch of chemistry, that is environmental chemistry. It is defined that it is a branch of chemistry in which we study about components of the environment, first thing, and effect of human activities on environment. It means we study two things in environmental chemistry. One is the component of the environment. Now, what are those components which make the environment? These components are of two types: biotic component and abiotic component. Bio means living. So, biotic components are those components which are based on living organisms, as plants, these are the biotic components. Flowers, these are the biotic components. Animals, human beings, birds, insects, etc. These are biotic components. Second is abiotic component. A means not, it means not living. These are the components which are based on non-living items like temperature, pressure, soil and water. The soil is and the water is abiotic component which makes the environment. These biotic components, they are dependent on abiotic component for their survival, because we see, for example, without water living organisms don't survive, and at a very high temperature, if the temperature is very high or the temperature is very low, living organisms, they don't survive. So here water and temperature is a biotic factor. The second thing on which the environment depends, that is the effect of human activities on environment. As you have seen in the definition, that biochemistry is the branch of chemistry in which we study about components of the environment and effect of human activities on environment. Now, what are those effects of human activities on environment? These are good and bad. The good activity is the plantation. More and more plantation, more and more forest, more and more oxygen we get, and more pollution reduces. The bad effect is water pollution and air pollution. How water is polluted? That is, water from industrial waste is not pure because many toxic elements are present in it, and this water is dangerous for humans and aquatic life like fishes. Industries not only gives us clothing, leather, shoes, cosmetics and other items, the waste products include water, and this water is now whenever given to fields, it destroys the crops and vegetables because they get poisoned. Now this is a water from factory. This water is very toxic because many toxic elements are present in it. Then there is another water, it is called contaminated water. This water is not fit for drinking purposes but can be used for washing purposes. The next type of water is potable water. The potable water is the one which is fit for drinking. Now, another thing is air pollution. The factories, they produce smoke and poisonous gases like carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide gases. These are released from vehicles. These gases and other gases like carbon monoxide, which is a poisonous gas, they enter in the air and make the atmosphere and environment smoky and cause breathing problems. And they also cause diseases, skin cancer and others. Now here I have shown you sun. Many rays are coming from sun. These are UV rays, ultraviolet rays. From the earth, 10 to 15 kilometers from the earth, between 10 to 15 kilometers, there is ozone layer, which is a protecting layer 3 to 5 millimeter thickness. This layer protects the earth from UV rays. In 1970, it has been seen that there are some holes in the ozone layer and the ozone layer is becoming thin. That's why some UV rays enter the atmosphere. From atmosphere, they enter the earth and cause skin cancer diseases. This is due to air pollution. Environmental chemistry is related to other branches like biology, geology, and ecology. Geology means the structure of soil, that is, it is a soil from desert, a fertile soil, a barren soil, a mountain soil, etc. And ecology means the interaction of the living organisms with the environment in which it is found. Thank you.